भारत आत्मनिर्भर किसी के कहने भर से ही नहीं होगा, बल्कि जैसा मैंने कहा, आप जैसे देश के युवा साथियों के करने से ही होगा।
India's youth have been the biggest ambassadors of the country's talent and potential. Their aspirations have driven the country to reach new heights. The last 7 years of Modi government have focused on clearing the path of India's youth as they navigate through opportunities across fields.
सा विद्याया विमुक्तये, यानी नॉलेज वही है जो हमारे माइंड को लिबरेट करे। भारत तो प्राचीन काल से नॉलेज का एक ग्लोबल सेंटर रहा है। 21वीं सदी में भी भारत को हम एक नॉलेज इकोनॉमी बनाने के लिए प्रयासरत है।
Today's world is changing at an unprecedented speed. Each day, we are faced with new challenges, some of which do not have any precedence in history. In such a scenario, an outdated education system could be detrimental for the future of our youth.
21वीं सदी के युवाओं की, आज के मिलेनियल्स की अगर सबसे बड़ी कोई ताकत है तो उनकी स्किल है। उनकी स्किल एक्वायर करने की क्षमता है।
The new education policy 2020, introduced after 34 years, makes education a dynamic process. It focuses on new age skills as well as provides enough room for students to learn at their own pace. The policy prepares youth to be solution-oriented, agile, and mentally equipped to handle real-life solutions or be able to operate even in an unfamiliar environment.
साथियों, अभी तक जो हमारी शिक्षा व्यवस्था है, उसमें what to think, मैं बहुत जिम्मेवारी से बोल रहा हूं, what to think पर फोकस रहा है, जबकि इस शिक्षा नीति में हाउ टू थिंक उस पर बल दिया जा रहा है।
The new education policy is aimed at ensuring universal access to quality education at all levels of schooling. It introduces modification in pedagogical structure as per global best practices. It makes multidisciplinary learning the fulcrum of the educational system. No longer will children have to choose between science and arts or maths and sports. The entire field is open to them to explore their inner potential and expand their interests. It is not only in education where the youth are getting an opportunity to explore possibilities and express themselves.
साथियों, भारत एक ऐसा स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम बनाने का प्रयास कर रहा है जिसका आधार स्तंभ ऑफ द यूथ, बाय द यूथ, फॉर द यूथ का मंत्र हो।
The ever-expanding startup ecosystem is helping the youth grow and providing resources and the right platform to be part of the solution. The startup culture has become synonymous with new age thinking, innovation, and job creation. India has emerged as one of the largest startup ecosystems in the world. Till May 2021, India has 47,000 startups recognized by the government. The aim is to reach 50,000 new startups by 2024. For that, a fund of funds has been set up with a corpus of rupees 10,000 crore. The government has also launched rupees 1,000 crore seed fund for startups aimed at helping startups with initial capital for growth and operations.
PLI स्कीम के द्वारा ही आने वाले 5 सालों में लगभग $520 बिलियन का, $520 बिलियन का प्रोडक्शन भारत में होने का अनुमान है। अनुमान ये भी है कि जिन सेक्टर्स के लिए PLI योजना बनाई गई है, उन सेक्टर में अभी जितनी वर्कफोर्स काम कर रही है, वो करीब करीब 2 गुनी हो जाएगी। रोजगार निर्माण में बहुत बड़ा असर पीएलआई योजना का होने वाला है।
The Union Budget 2021-22 announced an outlay of rupees 1.97 lakh crores for the production-linked incentive PLI schemes for 13 key sectors to create national manufacturing champions and generate employment opportunities for the country's youth. This means that minimum production in India as a result of PLI schemes is expected to be over $500 billion in 5 years. Some of the changes in the job scenario are also captured well in the EPFO data, which can indicate the trend in creation of formal jobs. In the last 2 years, net additions to the EPFO have touched 1.55 crore, evidence that more and more people are being employed with appropriate social security nets that fulfill their requirements.
निडर, बेबाक, साफ दिल वाले, साहसी और आकांक्षी युवा ही वो नींव हैं जिस पर राष्ट्र के भविष्य का निर्माण होगा।
Any country that strives to change its destiny must have ways and means to tap the energy and ambitions of this wonderful resource. Give me 100 energetic youngsters and I shall transform India, once said Swami Vivekananda, who had immense faith in India's youth. Today, our youth are participating in nation building like never before. The Smart India Hackathons have shown how well they know the nation's problems. They are coming up with innovative, cost-effective solutions in areas of waste management, healthcare, communication, renewable energy, food processing, artificial intelligence, and whatnot. From education to empowerment, from startups to sports, the Modi government is enabling an ecosystem that is helping the youth achieve their true potential.
देश का युवा ही दुनिया भर में ब्रांड इंडिया का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है।